What's going on, everybody? Give it just another minute. All right, I get started. Good luck, everybody. Got Matt Corral, Hutchinson, Julio Jones, Moxie Terrell Davis, Lawrence Taylor, Ajabo, Optic Nakobe Dean, and Contenders Optic Jahan Dotson. Steve Young, Kyle Hamilton, Desmond Ritter, Origins Auto Jojo Doman, Carson Strong, Tua, Phoenix Burrow, and Silver Contenders Optic Nakobe Dean. Nick Bosa, Alex Smith, David Bell, got a Freifogel Origins Auto, Chris Johnson, got a Brees Hall Recon 19 of 99, Optic Brees Hall, and Contenders Optic Khalil Shakir. Brees Hall, Isaiah Spiller, Josh Allen, nice. Got an In the Zone Auto Jamison Williams, 20 of 29. Recon Pickett, Aaron Rodgers, Phoenix Hutchinson. Ooh. Got a gold optic Kenneth Walker. 9 of 10. somebody in the group here real quick. Terrell Davis, Traylon Burks, Brock Purdy, Spectra Julio Jones, Terry Bradshaw, Dotson, Optic Jamison Williams, and Contenders Optic DeMarvin Leal. Justin Jefferson, Hines Ward, David Bell, 95 of 149. Got Spectra Sky Moore, 58 of 75. Stingley, Alvin Kamara, Contenders Optic Drake London, Phoenix Kenneth Walker. There's somebody else in here before this next box. All right, number 2. Jalen Tolbert, Lamar Jackson. Got a score, Steve Young, 21 of 49. Ooh, nice. Spectra Malik Willis, 51 of 75. Mechie, Kenneth Walker, Optic Drake London, Contenders Optic Pierre Strong. John Elway, Malik Willis, Olave, got an encased Mechie, CeeDee Lamb, Urlacher, Phoenix Traylon Burks, and Optic Mechie. Mac Jones, Terry Bradshaw, Pickett, Origins Auto Cole Turner, 18 of 149, Status Pickett, Traylon Burks, Contenders Optic Pickett, and Rashad White, Contenders Optic Silver. Carson Strong, Kyler Murray, Reggie Wayne, got a redemption, in-flight signatures, Jack Cohn, Debo, got a red status, Carson Strong, 13 of 149, Phoenix Kyle Hamilton, Optic Justin Ross. Stingley, Traylon Burks, Jalen Hurts, got an impeccable Alec Pierce, 148 of 199. Donovan McNabb, Stingley, Contenders Optic Breece Hall, and Contenders Optic Blue George Pickens, 56 of 99. Jerry Rice, George Pickens, Kyle Hamilton, Spectra Troy Aikman, Recon Corral, Stafford, Phoenix Carson Strong, Optic Jalen Tolbert. Box 3. Justin Jefferson, Hines Ward, Corral, Moxie Joe Burrow, Jabo, TJ Watt, Contenders Optic Carson Strong. And Phoenix Jamison Williams. Hutchinson, Julio Jones, Steve Young, Origins Auto Malik Davis, McCaffrey, Ricky Williams, Optic Kyron Williams, and Contenders Optic Ahmad Gardner. Kyle Hamilton, Ritter, Nick Bosa, another redemption. Origins rookie autograph, Charles Cross, Nakobe Dean. Got a Garrett Wilson recon, 41 of 49. Contenders Optic Malik Willis, Phoenix David Bell. Traylon Burks, Brock Purdy, Chronicles Mechie, 12 of 149, Spectra Jalen Wittermeyer, 90 of 99, Chris Long, Traylon Burks, Phoenix Kyron Williams, and Optic Traylon Burks. Alex Smith, David Bell, Jamison Williams, got a Contenders Kyle Hamilton auto, 58 of 149. David Bell, DK Metcalf, Optic Devontae Price, and Purple Contenders Optic Nakobe Dean, 38 of 49. Dak, Randy Moss, Mechie, Spectra Garrett Wilson, Troy Polamalu, Mechie, Contenders Optic Kenneth Walker, Phoenix Malik Willis. Last box. Pickett, Aaron Donald, score Jerry Rice, 17 of 49, Spectra of Bailey, Drake London, Justin Jefferson, Contenders Optic Stingley, Phoenix Kyron Williams. Troy Aikman, Drake London, Jabo, Encased Charleston Rambo, Joe Green, Trey McBride, Optic Traylon Burks, Contenders Optic Carson Strong. Nick Chubb, Jim Kelly, Hutchinson, another Origins auto of JoJo, Hutchinson, Micah Parsons, Phoenix Jamison Williams, and Silver Phoenix Malik Willis. Mechie, Russell Wilson, Peyton Manning, got another redemption, nice, Contenders College Ticket, Nakobe Dean, Carson Palmer, got a gold recon, Sam Howell, 10 of 10, Optic Kyron Williams, Contenders Optic Malik Willis. Bailey, Garrett Wilson, Aaron Rodgers, got an in the zone auto, George Pickens, 17 of 49, Carson Strong, Jalen Tolbert, Phoenix David Bell, Contenders Optic Red Wittermeyer, 120 of 149. Brett Favre, Kenneth Walker, Kobe Dean, Spectra DeMarvin Leal, 3 of 25. David Montgomery, Barry Sanders, Optic Devontae Price, Contenders Optic Kenneth Walker. Top of these and do a recap. Those of you that haven't been in one of my Contenders breaks, all of the Chrome cards will at least get sleeved when they ship out. Just did some of the bigger names during the break. Alright, so here's some base of note. I'm not going to read the brand or anything, I'll just say the names. We got Kenneth Walker, Malik Willis, Jameson Williams, got a silver Malik Willis, Pickett, Kenneth Walker, Willis, Desmond Ridder, Willis, Jameson Williams, Corral, Kenny Pickett, we got a silver Rashad White, Drake London, Kenneth Walker, Jameson Williams, Pickett, and silver Nakobe Dean. Color, we got Whittemire red to 149, Jerry Rice to 49, Nakobe Dean purple to 49, Mechie to 149, Garrett Wilson 49, George Pickens blue to 99, Carson Strong to 149, Steve Young to 49, David Bell 149, Breece Hall 99, got a gold Sam Howell Recon 10 of 10, and gold Optic Kenneth Walker 9 of 10. Got a couple of patch cards. We got Moxie Joe Burrow and Terrell Davis. Encased Charleston Rambo and Mechie. Spectra cards. Just regular. We got Bailey, Garrett Wilson, Troy Aikman, Julio Jones. And then we got DeMarvin Leal to 25. Whittemire to 99. Sky Moore, 75. And Malik Willis to 75. Our autos, we got Contenders Nakobe Dean, JoJo Doman, Contenders Kyle Hamilton, 58 of 149. Origins Charles Cross, Origins Malik Davis, Impeccable Alec Pierce, 148 of 199. In Flight Jack Cohn, Origins Cole Turner, 18 of 149. Origins Freifogel, Origins Doman again. Spectre in the Zone George Pickens, 17 of 49. And then Spectre in the Zone Jameson Williams, 20 of 29. Pretty sure I'll have another one of these breaks tomorrow night on a different case. So that was the last 4 boxes of this case. So hopefully you guys can join in on that. I also have a Bowman University case break coming up next. If you happen to get in that, just send me a message and I'll make sure I zero out shipping. Appreciate everybody for joining in and hope to see you guys next time.